Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the remaining Apple warranty on your iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select General. In General Settings, tap About. In the About settings, tap Limited Warranty. If you have warranty coverage on your device, it will tell you the expiry date here, and if you have hardware coverage, technical support coverage, or both. If you need to get support or avail of your warranty, tap Get Apple Support app to be taken to the App Store in order to download the support app so that you can contact Apple. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.